You've probably heard of executor bonds, but never really worked out what it's about. Here's your practical guide to executor bonds. Before we discuss what an executor bond is, let's first find out who an executor is. The person responsible for managing the estate of a person who passed away is known as the executor. If an executor is not defined in the will, then the court will appoint one for the estate. During times of uncertainty, getting an executor will help the family sort through details, distribute assets, pay taxes, and maintain the property within the confines of the law. The duties of the executor may be different in the absence of a will. If there is a will, the executor's initial task is to file with the probate court. Thus, a surety bond is required for it. What is an executor bond? An executor bond affords protection to the family of the deceased and the estate from any unlawful actions or fraud on the part of the executor. Since the executor of a will wields a lot of power concerning the real estate and finances of the deceased estate, the court may require an executor bond to make sure that there is no fraud committed. Essentially, this bond guarantees that the executor will follow the law and fulfill his or her duty to properly distribute the estate property. If the executor fails to do so, the surety will reimburse the estate. The executor will file a petition with the court to confirm his or her appointment as an executor, approve the will, and allow distributions under that will. What documents are needed before obtaining this bond? To get started, we generally need the following. 1. A complete signed application. 2. Court document referencing the bond. 3. Court document that gives an overview of the entire case. 4. A copy of the will. Is collateral needed for this bond? Generally speaking, fiduciary bonds and probate bonds don't require collateral, but rather, we are basing the decision primarily on these 4 factors. 1. Credit score. 2. Financial capacity of the fiduciary. 3. Experience. And 4. Character. How much will an executor bond cost? The cost to the customer is also known as the bond premium. Typically, the cost for an executor bond is approximately 0.5% of the bond amount. There is a sliding scale for bonds that are in excess of $500,000. It should be noted that the bonds are valid for 1 year. Have you been appointed as an executor of a will but are unsure of what you have to do? Contact one of our expert bond agents today at 800-333-7800. You may also visit our website at www.suretybondauthority.com and get your free quote today.